Okay guys, so I just got a new graphics card. Wow, look at this. So now it is time for me to power off the PC. Position this baby just like this. Now let's open her up. And this right here is my old graphics card. I kind of forgot how to do this. You gotta push these little green tabs down in order to make them go out. I forgot about that for a brief moment. Here is my old one. So here is my old graphics card from before. And here is going to be the new one. Oh my god, that's not gonna fit, is it? It's just barely fitting in there. Oh my god. Oh, it fits! It fits by a goddamn hair! Oh my god, look at this thing! Compared to the rest of everything else in my PC. Oh my god. What's that thing? Look at that. What's that? There's a little hole right there. It wants something. It's hungry. So if I power this on, it's not gonna work, right? Because of whatever the hell that is. I'm very confused. Okay. So I took this off. I was going through the cords and then I found this! Look at this thing! That goes in there. Knife time. Look. I never claimed that this wasn't gonna be absolutely scuffed. Okay? Wow, that thing is really hard. Pause. Okay, so it didn't work. But now I can't touch the knife because it's hot. Is that still hot? Ah! Okay. The answer was yes, that is still hot. See, the problem is I could easily eat this goddamn wire and remove this little thing and like remove it within a second. But I have to be fragile because I don't know if any of this is gonna break on me. So I can't just gremlin it off. I have to destroy with care. I'm not a good careful destroying person. Like if I'm gonna destroy something, let's just fucking do it. No. He wants me to break with care. Who did this? And why? Yes, fuck you. So now, like a puzzle piece, I'll just go ahead and stab that in there. Like so. Yoink. Ho ho! Look at me go. Now I don't really know what this is to. Okay. It seems like this is the one. Okay. Seems to work out just fine. See, what I would like to do, remove all of this extra dust. I don't know if I'll be able to do that with like ease, you know? Or I could just like take a hose and like hose it down. Okay. Bam. And clip. Now, we have one small problem. I have 3 monitors, all of which are HDMI. As we can see here, we have one of those weird HDMI not thingies that's not HDMI, and only 2 HDMI things. So I have to see if maybe I have something that can go up there. If not, I'm going to be stuck with 2 monitors. I found it. So it converts from that old version of an HDMI to the new version. Just like so. Shazam. Whoa. Computer is not happy. Okay, what did I do? Okay, so I unplugged this and it stopped yelling at me. So let's see if everything goes according. Ladies and gentlemen, both those fans are blowing. Oh! Look at that. It just switched down to my main monitor, like while I was doing that. Ho 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 ho!